In the north, when you have water problems and you ignore them, what happens is the frost travels down much deeper in wet soil than it does dry soil. So if you had a French drain, open French drain right here, not only would these posts not rot, but in the wintertime, the frost wouldn't go so deep and find its way underneath the cement footing of the fence posts. These have been heaved. This here has lifted about 5 inches. Here's an example of fence posts that are popped. You can see how a couple of these fence posts are lifted. You can see one down here that's lifted. The frost got up and under the foundation of that fence post.
I never hear this being discussed on any drain channel, any conversation, any podcast with DIYers, true contractors. I never hear this discussed. When you have wet soil, the frost travels twice as deep. It's going to get under your footer. It's going to get underneath the foundation, the footing of this fence, for example. This was 42 inches of concrete on these posts, and the frost got so deep that it lifted and popped these fence posts during the wintertime, ruining this fence. This all could have been avoided if the water would have been managed. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any videos that you want me to make, leave it in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video,